Hi, it's Dave Michaels. I'm in the Avaya booth at Gitex in Dubai 2023. I'm with Prabish. You're going to give us a demo of what?
So I'm going to give you a demo of agent assist capabilities powered by Journey.AI and Journey for authentication.
Let's take a look.
Sure.
Hey, what are we looking at here?
So you're looking at the Avaya agent desktop. The use case here is the customer is a utility customer. He has been chatting with the chatbot, and he's not been satisfied with the chatbot responses. He's escalated himself to chat with a live agent. What you're looking at here is our ACES provided widget, which provides agent assistance. It's a dynamic widget that gets the right tools, the right AI elements into the agent's workflows as and when they need it.
So this is an Avaya product?
Yes, so this is an Avaya widget which is built by the Avaya ACES team, and it's customizable and it's completely flexible. The whole idea is how we can orchestrate those different AI elements, those different backend tools for the agent effectively depending on the intent of the customer. So instead of building multiple widgets, it's one widget that gets the right tools at the right time for the agent. So in underlying, we are showing technologies like Journey to provide authentication capabilities. We're using capabilities like Securio or Journey for the payment capabilities. We are using CRM like Salesforce in this case as a CRM vendor. We're using an automation capabilities. It could be from CCAI, or we could use or any other automation capabilities. But the focus here is orchestrating the agent experience. Now in this case, a customer has complained that there's an outage at my home. So we are also integrated with sentiment technologies to show the customer sentiment to the agent, and they can see the sentiment graph going down. All right, yeah, it's not looking good so far. So in this case, let's see how we can. So the response the bot says is, first we need to authenticate you to understand what is your issue. So the response is auto-generated by the bot. Of course, just like the ChatGPT experience, we are also exposing the power to the agent to rephrase it, make it shorter, add empathy, or to add knowledge into it, etc. In this case, let's go with the workflow. So it says, okay, I need to authenticate you. Are you ready for authentication? So the customer says, okay, yes. Okay, and so at this point, it triggers, we are orchestrating Journey into the workflow now to handle the authentication process. The good thing here is the agent doesn't have to move from the widget. Now you can see the suggested response includes the authentication method, and just before that, just to show you, currently the customer's data is hidden from the agent, or the customer's account information is hidden because we haven't yet identified or authenticated the customer. So I'm going to send this QR code across to the customer now. You can see the QR code is popped up. The customer uses his registered mobile device, and using the power of Journey's biometrics and zero knowledge technology, I'm going to authenticate myself. I'm not sharing any sensitive information, I'm just authenticating my device. And you can see that it happened very quickly. The customer has authenticated, and you'll see the agent interface is also updated. So at this point, you can see the workflow the agent interface is updated to show that the customer is authenticated, and the customer's data is the only data that the agent is allowed to see is now exposed to him. The agent didn't see any private biometric information. The agent has no information of what the customer did to authenticate. It's all hidden. That's the zero knowledge, and only the knowledge that the agent needs to know is shared with the agent. In this case, it tells me the customer was disconnected for outstanding. The response is auto-generated by the bot saying, okay, I can, as per my workflow, I can get it reactivated if you're ready to pay it off current. So I can say, okay, let me start the payment process. Are you ready to pay now? So it says yes. The customer says, yes, I need the power back. I'm ready to pay it now. At this point, we can again integrate the back-end tools like payment systems. It could be Journey or any other payment solution that you're working with. Now you can see that the payment is generated, the link is generated for the customer. This is a one-time payment link, and I'm sending it across to the customer. The customer says, okay, that's the payment link. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to put my data in. I'm going to make a payment. The payment requires a one-time password. This is from the payment provider, so I'm going to submit that. Done. The payment has been successfully completed. Now let me go back to the agent screen. The agent is waiting for the update. The payment has completed. The agent interface is now going to update. And you can see that thank you for completing the outstanding payment reactive. So at the back, we are automatically sending the request for reactivation to the CRM or the ticketing tools. So the entire process is now automated. The agent didn't have to switch windows, do anything. So we got the right tools, information, knowledge for the agent at the right time.
All right, thank you.